and sometimes you might find yourself in a pickle. Your ad might get disapproved. The reasons might be that your landing page is not working, is not functional, or it doesn't exist, or you have made a mistake in typing the URL. So never type the URL, always copy and paste it. Okay, excessive use of capitalization, excessive use of symbols or special characters will lead to disapproval of your ad, so avoid doing that. Adding words like Google, Walmart, Microsoft, Amazon, Flipkart, Samsung, so basically any trademark words in your ad copy will lead to disapproval of your ads. Only these companies have the authority to use them in their ad copies, but people like you and me cannot add these words in our ad copies. Yes, a trademark word can be added as a keyword. It can be added as a keyword, but it cannot be displayed at the front end in the ad copy. Okay, always remember that. Do not write or mention words like click here, buy now. No, these will also lead to disapproval of your ads. Make sure you remember this because you'll be asked about the same in your Google Ads exam.